Hey everyone, today me and my brother, we headed out to Oldham Farm to do some farm work for one of our clients, and so we headed out there, and I sure hope you enjoyed this video like we did. So when we got there, our manager was having a hard time getting that trailer around, but he finally got it around, so we loaded that up with some wood, and we put some birch in there, we put some popple, then we put some birch, then we loaded up, and then we headed out there, and we listened to some Christmas music. Then we ate some breakfast sandwiches, and then I saw this giant freaking horse.
Hello.
Then we were scooping some doo-doo, and then I saw this giant freaking Then my manager was acting weird.
The Poop Scoop Brigade.
Then we dropped all that manure off. And then they had a poop fight.
Get him, Ted. No.
What's that? Is there a bunch of poop on my back? Can you what? You're good.
When?
So then we dropped off that final load, and yep, we put that in the pile. And yeah, then we drove home. And yeah, that's all I have for you.